Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So today we're going to declutter my face cheek products, like bronzer, blush, highlight, and like palette types that have face products. Whew, okay. I don't exactly know where to begin. This, some of these are in like a pretty good stack. I just didn't want to lay everything out, and honestly it's just all a mess because that's just how it is. If you're wondering, so I am not a new mom, but I'm learning, first time mom. My son is 6 months. He might be older by the time you're seeing this. I don't know when I'll get to edit it. But I don't wear makeup as much anymore. I really, ever since COVID, haven't worn a ton of makeup, minus like a few special occasion type things. And so I just want to pare this down. I've already done my foundation, powder, and primer video. If you would like to see that, I will try and link it. But this is what we're going to be doing today. Like I said, I don't wear a ton of makeup. I do wear blush, bronzer, highlight when I wear makeup. But here recently it's only been usually whenever I'm going to work, and most of the time it's cream. So we'll just see what we get at the end of this. Without further ado, let's get in this. Oh, where to start? Okay, I'll just start here. So I have this Hourglass palette. I think it came out a bit ago, but I do actually like it. I just need to move my face palettes, honestly, because I forgot that I had this, and that's terrible. But I want to move this, so I'm going to keep that. This Beauty Bakery, I just don't really use. It's really pretty, but the blush is too dark for me, and the highlight's just a little, I mean, it's pretty, but it's just not really what I'm going for, so I'm going to get rid of that. Let's see, Anastasia Glow Kit. I want to keep this because my dad actually got this for me, and I know it looks like I haven't used it. I have had a glow kit like this and used it before, but the fact that my dad like saw this and picked it out, I gotta keep it. Plus I do like the glow kit, and the Sugar Glow Kit is one that works best with my skin tone. I have this Cali Contour Palette by Smashbox. I really like it. I want to keep it. I'm pretty much a sucker for palettes like that have everything in it. So we'll just see. And then I have this Natasha Denona Glam Face Palette in Light. I love this. It's got a cream blush, a pretty highlight, and then amazing neutral eye shade. So I'm definitely keeping this. I had a different channel and I got rid of it. And I had done a review on this and I loved it, so keeping that. And then lastly, of big palettes, I have two Benefit palettes, and I love Benefit palettes like this. This is the Cheekathon. I've had this for forever, but the powders are still good in it, so I do want to keep it. I have this one in the Cheek Stars Reunion Tour. I want to keep this as well. Both of these have the original Dallas in them. This one also has like Sugar Bomb and a Georgia, which I don't think they have either of those anymore. And so I want to keep both of these because I love them. And speaking of Dallas, real fast, I have the box Dallas. I love Dallas. Keeping all of these. Okay, something I can get rid of. The Sophia and Mabel Too Pretty Highlighter and Blush Duo. It's pretty. This is a little dark for me. The blush was super pretty, but if I'm really only using one thing, then I don't need it. Charlotte Tilbury Film Star Bronze and Glow. I actually really love. I love this highlight. It's nice and subtle, which I like. I'm trying to look at things and try to find things that I could get rid of. But face products, it's hard, at least for me, to get rid of because I do like a lot of them. This Burt's Bees blush in Shy Pink. Yeah, Shy Pink I can get rid of. It's really pretty, but I don't wear it. So if I don't wear it, I should get rid of it. Same with this Bahama Mama bronzer. I just don't wear it, so I'm going to get rid of it. I do wear my butter bronzer. This Cinderella highlight, I literally just keep it because I love Cinderella so much. And it's actually a really pretty highlight, so I do want to keep it. It's actually Horse and Carriage. Sorry. That's actually the name of it. Okay, Laura Mercier highlighter. This is like one of the prettiest highlighters of all time. Love that. Keeping. This one's not going to be that great. I'm looking at these things, I'm like, oh, I don't want to get rid of any of it. Okay, this Flower Beauty Day Glow I wear all the time. This Heliotrope from Rose Inc. I love this. Like I said, I wear cream products all the time. I wear this Tarte bronzer, cream bronzer every day, at least to work. Let's see, this Kaja. I think I'm going to get rid of this Cloud Latte Play Bento. It's really cute and fun, and it does have a cream bronzer, which is nice, but I'm just going to get rid of it. I don't wear it too often, especially now that I have this Tarte bronzer here. I do love these Wet n Wild sticks, the contour and the blush. Love those. Keeping. My Armis Beauty Master Mixer, and then this Luminizer Glow Quad. I want to keep both of these. Like I said, the creams I wear like all the time, so that's not shocking to me that I want to keep those. Disney Villains. It's just so pretty. Alright, I'm keeping both of these Villains highlighters. If anything, I love Disney villains. And so, well, I love Disney, not just the villains. So I'm going to keep those. Something else I want to keep. Oh, my Natasha Denona little duo in... I don't know. It's the Cream Blush and Highlighter. I don't see a shade or anything. Oh, the Rose Cheek Duo. Duh. I really, really like this a lot. Like I said, cream I use a lot. This cream Fenty Beauty bronzer I've been using a lot. This Hourglass Vanish stick highlighter I love. I wore this on my wedding. I'm not getting rid of it. This ColourPop blush stick. That is a pretty color. Let me see. Let me compare it to this. Oh, this is, whoa. This is very old. So, I'm going to get rid of this Wander Beauty Double Date. It's just a little, like, thick, and I think it's going to be too much for what I currently like. I need to wipe my hand off with. Kind of spread some of these out now that I've got a little bit more room. Charlotte Tilbury Cheek to Chic Sex on Fire blush. I really like that one to keep. I think I'm going to get rid of this Milani Silky Matte Bronzer. I do think that it's good. I just haven't reached for it in a while because I don't reach for powder as much. Oh, this Too Faced in Soulmates. It's in Ross and Rachel, and I just keep it because I love Friends, and I just like keeping it. I don't use it, I just have it because it's Ross and Rachel. Glowdian, I also wore this on my wedding day, and I just think that this is really nice to have a range of shades. This is from, what brand is this from? Why can't, Touch and Soul. Really good. Kevin Aquan Contouring Duo, super nice, keeping. I haven't used this CoverGirl blush yet, so I do want to try that out. Okay, some of these are just like sentimental things, like these two. Oh, I am going to keep this ColourPop stick. I did decide that. I love this Mellow Mauve e.l.f. blush. It's so pretty. Alright, something I can get rid of. Probably this. I don't know if this is actually a bronzer or an eye shade, but I just don't need it. Let's see. Hourglass blush, I want to keep. NARS Sin, I do want to keep. MAC Blush Baby, I think is really pretty. Keep. The Balm Big Date, I want to keep. This e.l.f. Duo can go. It's in Liche. I do think that those are really good, but I don't need it. Oh, I love this Wet n Wild loose highlighter. I don't know if you can still get it, but it is literally one of the prettiest highlights in the whole wide world. It's messy, or it can be messy, but it is so pretty. So I want to keep this. Don't use it too often, but it's gorgeous. Let's see here. This is Becca Moonstone. I don't wear it. I'm gonna get rid of it. My aunt will be excited. This Maybelline Master Blush Palette I want to keep. I've had this ColourPop highlight for so long, but I think it's just gorgeous. It's in Flexitarian. I don't know if they still have it, but I want to keep it. I'm going to get rid of this Maybelline Master Chrome and Molten Rose Gold. I think it's super pretty, but that is way too dark for me. LOL. e.l.f. Baked Highlight in Moonlight Pearls. I'm going to get rid of it. LA Girl Just Blushing I want to keep. Essence the Blush I want to keep. I'm going to keep this Kaja Atmosphere Cream Blush. This Milani. It's pretty, but I can't wear half of it, so I'm going to get rid of it. And then the Ciate bronzer I'm not going to use, so I'm going to get rid of. Okay, this was not super great. So not the most successful declutter, but still getting rid of 2, 5, 8, 11, 14. Still getting rid of 14. Still 14 that are moving out of my collection that I don't have to weed through. Like I said, a lot of what I kept, it's either sentimental or it's cream, and I use cream a lot. So to get rid of this feels good. If you did enjoy, be sure to subscribe down below, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.